Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Heeral and today I am going to show you how to make everyone's favorite street style dahi patashi. Let's get started. First I am going to take 4 medium sized boiled potatoes and going to crush it with my hands. Now here I am going to add 1 medium sized finely chopped onion. Here I am adding half a cup of finely chopped coriander. Now here I am taking half a tablespoon of black pepper powder, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of amchur powder, half a tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, half a tablespoon of black salt, and half a tablespoon of salt or as per your taste. Combine everything nicely. Now when everything is nicely combined, I am going to move to the next step by filling this mixture in the patashis. Now here I am taking one patashi at a time and going to punch it with my thumb and going to fill the aloo mixture that we have prepared earlier. Once you have added the aloo masala in the patashi, then add some curd. The curd shouldn't be sour in taste, it should be sweet in taste. Here you can see I'm going to fill my patashi chaat with some coriander chutney. For some sweet taste in my patashi chaat, I'm going to add some tamarind chutney. It is also called as imli chutney. Now to enhance its taste, I'm going to put some aloo bhujia. You can also use tomato. This patashi chaat has the flavor and goodness of all types of spices, tanginess and sweetness. This is a perfect treat to serve. For some final touch and flavor, I am going to garnish my patashi chaat with some chopped coriander. Here you can see my patashi chaat looks so mouth-watering and delicious. For some more mouth-watering and street-style recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.